Is your bank playing hard to get with Plaid, leaving you stranded and unable to connect your accounts? Let's fix that. First, double-check your bank login details. A simple typo in your username or password is the most common culprit, so try re-entering them carefully. If your credentials are correct, visit your bank's website or app directly to ensure there aren't any active alerts, security measures, or required updates preventing Plaid from connecting. Still no luck? Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies or the app's data and cache, as old data might be interfering with the connection. This forces a fresh start. Plaid relies on your bank's compatibility. If the issue persists, contact your bank's support team. They can confirm if there are any known issues with Plaid integration or specific security settings on your account. If your bank confirms no issues on their end, contact Plaid support directly through their website. They might have specific troubleshooting steps or be aware of broader connectivity problems affecting your bank. Finally, consider if you've recently changed your bank account password or enabled two-factor authentication. Plaid might need you to authenticate or update your connection settings to reflect these changes. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot most Plaid connection issues and get back to seamlessly linking your bank accounts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. #Plaid problems, #bank integration.